Well, hello there, everyone. Today's question is 7 divided by 1/7 times 7. So, first, let's try to solve it this way. 7 divided by 1, well, that's 7 divided by 7 times 7. Now, 7 divided by 7 times 7 actually equals 49. Next, we'll write it out as 7 over 49. So that simplifies down to 1/7. This is the answer we get, but keep in mind, this is actually the wrong answer. Now, let's write the question correctly. 7 divided by 1/7 times 7. In math questions like this one, we must always follow the BODMAS rule. In the BODMA rule, if there is both division and multiplication, we look from left to right and give first priority to whichever comes first and second priority to the next one from left to right. So here, division has the first priority. So we'll change the division to multiplication and reverse 1 by 7, making it 7 over 1 times 7. Now, 7 times 7 times 7, that's 343. This is the right answer. And earlier we got 1/7, which was incorrect.